Stretch legs out and bend your right knee. So the way you bend is so that your upper back still remains upright and straight. Because sometimes when you bring the leg too close, then you're going to hunch. I don't want you to do that. I want you to keep your back straight, even your leg have to be a little bit far. Once you are there, then I want you to hold your legs like this and lift your chest even higher. Then keep holding with your left hand. Your right hand is going to go close to your back on the back. Then you want to inhale, lift your chest a bit more higher. And as you exhale, twist to the right. At least 3 breathing. And then after 3 breathing, you want to come back and keep going to the other side for counter stretch. Inhale and exhale. Hold again for 3 breathing. Good. Come back to the center. Stretch your leg out and repeat the same on the left side. So you want to keep your back straight. Hold with your right hand and lift your chest a bit more higher. Then bring your left hand onto your back, close to the back as possible. And the fingers can be either pointing to the left or to the back. And inhale, lift your chest up. And as you exhale, twist to the left. And hold there for 3 breathing. Inhale back and keep going to the other side. Inhale, and as you exhale, twist to the right and hold for 3 breathing. Inhale back to the center. Stretch your legs out, lean back and rest. And want to lift your chest up. Keep your bent knee in the beginning. I understand some of the beginners may be watching, so keep your bent knee. And inhale, lift your chest up and drop your chest as you exhale onto your knees. Extend your arms out and try to bring your forehead onto your legs and let go for a moment. While you are holding the asana, keep your breathing normal. And with each breath you exhale, I want you to try to stretch your leg a little bit forward. Just a little bit more. And then see what is your limit. And you can stop there. Hold, breathe, and enjoy the asana. And let the toxins go out of your body. Good. To come back, gently inhale. Come back and stretch legs. Lean back and rest. So lay onto your belly. Forehead down. Feet about hip width apart. And you want to interlock your hands, interlock the fingers onto your back. And rotate your shoulder blades in. Forehead down. Then inhale, lift your head up, shoulders up, and pull your hand towards the feet. Hold for at least 3 breathing. And exhale down, relax in Makarasana. And you're going to extend your arms out. Forehead to the ground. Then you're going to lift the right leg up. And as you exhale, drop the right leg to the left. Relax your head. And then you're going to lift the right arm up. And opening the leg as wide as possible. You're going to feel the stretch around this area. To come down, exhale, drop your hand down, bring the leg back. Lift the left leg up and drop the left leg to the right. Relax your head and then lift the left arm up. And opening the leg as wide as possible. come down. Exhale, drop your hand down. Bring the leg back and go into Makrasana 2. Bend your knees. As you exhale, hug your knees and lift your head up. Touch your knee to the forehead. On the next inhalation, you're going to extend your arms out and stretch your legs out. Keep your breathing normal. Bend your knees, hug them and forehead to them. Inhale, open your arms, legs stretched. Exhale, close, hug your knees. Open your hands and extend your legs out. And bend your knees, hug your knees and touch your forehead to the knees. Exhale, drop your head down. Extend your legs out. And you can repeat this about 10 times.